Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're working on puzzle number 80. Again, if you saw where I made a mistake yesterday, please do leave a comment down below and let me know. All right, let's start with this row. Looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7. No help here. 4, 7, 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing a 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. An 8 here, so 6, 8. All right, if we work on this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so 5. That 1 makes this our 4 and our 1. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 there, so 3, 6, 7. 3 and a 6 there, so 1, 7. 3 and a 7 and a 1 there. So this is our 6. 1 and 6 leaves us with 3 and 7. And with that 6, we can get rid of the 6 here. And since the 1 can't be here or here, this is our 1. Let's work on this row. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 6 here, so 5, 7, 8. We've got a 5 and an 8 here. So 6, 7. Again with that 5 and 8, but now we've got a 6 here. That makes this our 7, 6. And no help over here. So 5 and 8, and we can get rid of that 7 there. To finish out this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and an 8 here. So 2, 5. Got the 8 there. So 2, 4, 5. For this box, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 9 there. So 3, 9. For this column then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 there. So 8 and 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 there. So 4 and 3. So to finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9, but we don't have any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. Finish out this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got no help here. 2, 3, 7. We've got a 3 and a 7 there. So this is our 2. So we can get rid of that 2. For this row then, looks like we're missing 3, 5, 6, 7. We've got the 3 and the 6. So 5, 7. No help here. 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we've got a 3 and a 6. So again, 5, 7. So if we look back here, this is the only box in that row that our 6 can be in. So that's our 6. And then this is the only box our 3 can be in. So that 3 makes this our 7 and 3. All right. So for this column then, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 7, but we don't have any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 7 here. So 4, 5. And the 9 can't be here or here or here. So this must be our 9. Finish out this box. We're missing 2, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 and 5 here. So 4, 7. No help here. 2, 4, 5, 7. But then if we look at this box, this is the only place our 2 can be, and this is the only place our 4 can be. That means we can get rid of the 4 up here. All right, for this bottom row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and a 7 there. So this is our 8. We've got a 7 there. So 5, 7, that makes this our 5. So for this row then, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 there. So 4 and 9 there. So 7. That makes us our 9 and our 7. So for this box then, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here. So 1, 3 here. So 9, 3. So then this 3, no, this 2 we missed the first time makes this our 5. So 2, 4, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 8, 4. All right, thank you for joining me again. Please do like, subscribe, and share to anyone you think might enjoy this content. All of that really does help the channel out. And I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.